Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you one of my interests and is about ecology. What is ecology? Well, according to the Ecological Society of America in 2019, ecology is the study of the relationships between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environment. It seeks to understand the vital connections between plants, in animals and the world around them. Ecology also provides information about the benefits of ecosystems and how we can use earth resources in ways that leave the environment healthy for future generations. Maybe you are wondering what is the importance of ecology. Well, ecology has a big importance in our planet because it enriches our world and is crucial for human well-being and our prosperity. Exist two important components to the environment. The first, the physical environment, comprising such things as temperature, water availability, nutrient availability, and soil acidity. The second one is the biotic environment, comprising any influences on a species that are exerted by other species, and includes competition, predation, and parasitism. The importance of ecology is because nature is vital for food production, to maintain clean the air and water too, and also it is important for sustaining biodiversity in a changing climate. There are two images about what involves physical environment, such things, for example, the water, the air, mountains, and the biotic environment involve things such plants, animals, and we are part of the biotic environment too. Are there types of ecology? Of course, in war exist other types of ecology. Each one has a specific role and importance in our life. And according to the National Geographic in 2019, are three, which are the first, the landscape ecology. This deals with a spatial distribution, patterns, and behaviors across large geographical areas. Ecologists might study the impact of development on a particular species of native grass in a specific area. The population ecology studies the rise and fall in the number of species. Ecologists may compare the population of a species near a new food source to a population that lacks access to that food source. And the third one is the behavioral ecology. It studies the different way organisms evolve and adapt to changes in their habitat. Ecologists often study mating patterns of or what characteristics male and female animals prefer when seeking to reproduce. There are three images about what involves the landscape ecology, the population ecology, and the behavioral ecology too. What affects ecology? Well, ecology have been affected mainly by human activities in all the world, and that causes a negative impact on ecosystems. In fact, according to the famous Millennium Ecosystem Assessment in 2005, at the beginning of the 20th century, human activities changed ecosystems more rapidly than ever before. But why humans are affecting ecology? Human being is the only species who generate high amount of trash in the planet. And due to this, the earth suffers of pollution. A lot of animals are affected about that and they are dying by this cause. Also, humans are the main cause of deforestation, fires, floods, and all environmental pollution. which has caused death in our ecosystem. And the plants and animals are the ones that suffer the consequences from all these acts. As you can see, there are pollution in water, the fires around the world, and many deforestation too. But there are a hope if you are a aware people, so you can give a hand to the planet because change is in our hands, and if we work together, we can help the world. There are many things that we can do to give a hand to the planet. Some of them can be, for example, conserve the water when you take a shower, brush your teeth, wash the dishes, watering the plants, etc. Reduce food waste. For example, you can make a list of the products that you really need in your home before you go to the market or the supermarket. Avoid use of plastic. Bring your own bags to the stores, and you can use reusable water bottles too. You can donate clothes in good condition that you don't need in your home anymore. You can plant a tree. They help to clean the air and they provide us food and oxygen. Of- in- If you have plants in your home, you must take care of them. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. You must follow this if you want to conserve natural resources. I have some quotes to share with you. The first says, ecology is not somebody's work, it's everybody's work. The second, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. The highest function of ecology is the understanding of consequences. We can live without technology, but we can't live without ecology. The, the final, we are all in this world together. So we must be aware of our actions and be responsible with that because the consequences add badly for us. Those are my references. And thank you very much for paying attention to me and for listening my presentation. Thank you very much. I invite you to be aware of the of your acts. So be a ecologic person since now.